will see how we can edit or customize Power Portal profile page. Now normally when you go to your Power Portal and click on sign in, it actually give you three options. One is sign in, register and redeem invitation. Now let me register myself in the portal. Let's say I'm giving my Gmail ID here, and the username, let's say SPP something, and password I can give something. I can confirm my password. Now whenever I will register, it actually navigates to the profile page, right? Now how I can add more fields to this profile page, or how I can remove some existing fields from this profile page, we can see today. Can you see that this is the profile page, and this profile page you will see some text here, and this represents some form: first name, last name, email, business phone, organization, nickname, website, right? So these are the profile information. Now how can I edit that? If you go to this portal management app, model driven app, if you go to web pages, you will see that the profile page is associated with a ASPX page, right? Normally it is not identified here. If you click the profile page, and here you can see it's not associated with a web page. Rather, if you go to this web template called as profile web template, it is pointing to rewrite URL pages profile.aspx. Now it is not straightforward to identify which web form is used. Normally after analysis we got to know that this profile page is associated with contacts form called as portal web form or profile web form. So to edit this form, you have to go to edit this text. You can update here. If you go to the web page, this is my profile web page. I can go to the localized content, and in the localized content, I can see the text here, right? Please provide some information up to forum post. This one, forum post. If I want to delete, then I can delete this using this area. I can just delete this and save it, right? Once I will save it, I have to sync configuration, and then I have to click on browse website so that it will clear the cache and it will load the profile page. So it is trying to load the website because I have clicked this browse website. Now I can click on the profile and so that it will load the profile page. Can you see that the text is gone? Now I have no option to edit this fields. How can I edit these fields? To edit this field, you have to go to the Power Apps Dataverse and search the contact entity here in the table area. In the contact table, if you go to forms, you will find a form called as profile web form. That web form is actually used for this profile page. So I'll go here. First I want to change the height of this public profile copy. Let me go here and I'll go to forms, and this is the form, profile web form. You can click this web form and you can see all the items that you can see on this profile page will be displayed here, right? So this is in two columns. First column is first name. You can see, let me just zoom out. First name, last name, email, business phone, organization name, title, nickname, website, and profile page. You can also change the size of the height of this public profile copy. I can make it smaller, let's say 2, right? It's not, I am not able to change this. This is restricted. But anyway, I want to delete this website and nickname, right? So I can click this and delete this, and like that I want to delete website. So I have deleted this public, I have deleted all that, and I want to also delete this preferred language and drag this owner to below public profile, and I can change this column to either 2 column or 1 column. It's for my choice. Now I can save it. Now once you publish this, 3 things is deleted, and once I will refresh my portal, and by clearing the cache memory, then I can see my updated profile page will be displayed on the portal. Let us check. Once it is published, we will have to wait. Now it will take some seconds. Now once it is published, I will go to the Power App Studio, click on Sync Configuration, then I will click Browse Website to see my updated changes here. So if you want to add more columns, also more fields on this form, you can go to this area, and you can search whatever data you want to put on this portal form, right? Let's say you want to use revenue, for example, or something. Email is there, phone is there. I want to add credit limit, for example, so I can drag and drop it here. Right now I can click on publish. So I have removed some items, and I have added some items, some new items, new fields on this form. Let us see how it looks like on my form in the portal. Again, I have published it. I'll go here and try to sync configuration and browse website. So why sync configuration? If you have changed anything in Dataverse or portal management model driven app, the configurations will be synchronized to Power App Studio. Then when you click on browse website, it will clear the cache, then it will load your fresh page. Now I can go to profile page to see the changes. Can you see that credit limit is there, the nickname and website is gone, and other things are available as it is, right? But if you want to hide some fields, let's say you want to hide this credit limit without removing this from your Dataverse, form, then you have to write down some JavaScript or jQuery. You have to find out first the what is the you have to find out what is the ID of this section. If you click on inspect element, you can find out this is the label and this is the row, right? And if you want to hide this credit limit, you can just copy this ID. Let's say the ID is credit level. You can copy this, right? And you can go here in the web page. This is the profile web page. I can write down my script here, right? You have to write down the script like script, and inside that you have to write down the jQuery. jQuery starts with dollar symbol, dollar document dot ready, then inside that you have to pass the function, and inside this function you have to write down your script. I want to search the closest TR of this ID. This is the ID credit limit level, and I want to just search closest and the nearest TR, and I want to hide it, dot hide. So you have to learn jQuery for this, to do this, right? So click on save. Now click on synchronize configuration. Now I am trying to hide this credit limit section. Now is because I have taken this ID of this level, the closest TR is this TR, right? So it will completely hide this TR. It's because of my script. So I'll click on browse website. Now it will load the latest information by clearing the cache memory, right? So I'll go to again profile page and click on profile. Now that is hidden. So you can see that how you can edit, you can add new fields, you can remove existing field, and you can hide the field with using jQuery, as we have seen here how it works. Then also if you want to display some information using liquid code also, you can use it here, right? So if you want to display something in liquid code, you can use liquid code. So this is how you can edit profile page in Power Portal. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe this channel, and see you in next time. Thank you guys.